just for fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. But when I dial the telephone, nobody's home. Sure, sometimes I feel so insecure, and love so distant and obscure remains the cure.